Greetings friends, welcome to another advanced Django tips. Today we're going to learn about the auto now add and auto now in the date time field. While creating models, we often wish that the date and time be updated once, or we may also want them to update every time we make an update. With the Auto Now Add feature, we can create a one-time entry, whereas with Auto Now, we can create an entry every time we make an update. If you don't use this method, you'll have to go on and creating different post methods to manually update the date and time. However, with this, we can use it without any other help. This saves us a lot of time and functions, of course. So let's see how this can be done. In the Django app, you can see that the main app is called Automatic Date Time, whereas we have another app that's called DateTime. I have simply included the urls.py file in the main URLs file, and then in the models, I have created this article that has the basic title, author, body created at, and then update. After this, all that we need to do is simply migrate this model and we will be good to go. Let's go check it out. As we can see, we have this. Oh wait, let's just discuss the template rendering before this. When we go to the template, we can see that we have simply used the story in story, which I imported from article.objects.all, and then I simply used a for loop to render them. Now let's see. Initially I can see that this article was published at 11th October at 3:51 pm and the second update was made at 3:52 pm. Now let's see, if I were to make an update now, what will happen. I'll simply go to the class and then let's just change the body once again and then save it. I have simply copied and pasted the text one more time. After saving it, let's refresh and see what the result is. As we can see that the update has been changed, whereas the published art is still at 3:51 pm, and of course the lorem ipsum text has been added once more. With that, let's end today's lecture. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.